Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Braeburn thermostat step by step. So if the thermostat is frozen, showing you incorrect temperatures, not controlling the HVAC system properly, or acting unresponsive after a power outage, these reset methods can usually restore the normal operation quickly. So in order to reset it, what you need to do first is to simply use the built-in reset button. So many of the Braeburn thermostats include this type of small reset button on the front or sometimes on the side of the thermostat. So as you can see over here, this is going to be our reset button. So what you need to do is you need to simply use a paper clip or any kind of pin or similar type of tool that could be inserted into it. So you need to use that tool and you need to simply press and hold this particular reset button for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the display refreshes or restarts. Now, many Braeburn models use this direct hardware reset method, so you can definitely go ahead and reset it this way. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.